Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joker88. Today we are going to go ahead and install the spacers for the Alfa Romeo 4C. Let's see how that's gonna look like. I got all this stuff from MADNESS. We got all these things from MADNESS Autoworks, and if you guys are interested, check out their, I'll put a link on their website. But they carry the Athena brand spacers, and let's go over these spacers real quick. So the front spacers, these are the front spacers, and these are 16 millimeter, made in Italy by Athena, and this is going to be your spacers for the front wheel, made out of solid aluminum, and it does comes with longer bolts that you're gonna need. So that's the front. The rear we have the 25 millimeters, a little bit wider, but this one's a little bit more trickier to install. Today, when we do the installation today, I'm gonna go ahead and do a like a point of view, so you guys can see how we get this thing installed. As you don't see a lot of installation videos, DIY videos on the Alfa Romeo 4C. So I want to help you guys out and learn from my mistakes. So here is the spacers. If you put the spacers side by side, you can see the thickness and the difference. So one side is 16 millimeter and the other side is 25 millimeters. As you can see, the size difference there, the width, and it's a little bit different here too, because here, look at this, you have like inside on the rear you have a threaded holes. What is that for, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you what it's for. These are gonna come, the rears are gonna come with these lugs, I guess they're called lugs. These lugs are gonna go in here, right? Not the one that's threaded, and that's gonna mount onto the axle of the car, and then your stock bolts are gonna be mounted there. But you'll guess we'll see it when we're doing this thing together. So why don't we go have some fun and let's do this. mean, the first wheel kind of gave me a little bit of problems because I didn't know how to set it up. But thank God I called Madness yesterday and I asked them how I'm going to install the rears, because that's the one I was kind of worried about. The front was kind of straightforward except for that retaining screw that holds the plate in place that I needed to replace. So now I was kind of trying to put it in there. It wasn't going in flush because of the bolt head. So that's that, man. So what do you guys think, man? It does look a lot better, especially the rear. The rear was the one that I had problems with. Well, not really problems with. It's just, it feels that it flares out too much, and then there's too much. The wheels are pretty much sucked inside. So that was kind of a bummer. But looks like right now it's all set. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and test drive it, retorque the bolts to specified torque, and that's that, man. And then we'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching our videos, guys. Thanks for liking and subscribing, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in our next video, man. Later. Thank you.